Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making juicy chicken breast. I'm gonna serve the chicken breast with mushrooms and pepper sauce. I'm gonna show you the best method of cooking chicken breast. It will be quick and easy, and it will be one of the most juiciest chicken breast that you will ever try. A quick overview: we're gonna start by seasoning our chicken, then cook it with a bit of the butter, rosemary, garlic. Then we're gonna cook our beautiful pepper sauce with a bit of the stock and cream, and cook our mushrooms in a bit of the butter, and finish out with some fresh chives. You're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, we're going to start with the chicken. Using a meat tenderizer or a rolling pin, we're going to pound the chicken from its thickest part to even out the shape. Now I can see the thick part of this chicken breast is right here, so I'm just gonna place this paper on the top. And using a rolling pin, I'm just gonna start to pound this. You want to do it nice and slowly, don't tear up this chicken. By doing this, we are ensuring that our chicken breast will cook at the same time from all sides. Now this is exactly what we are looking for here, an even shape. Now of course we're going to season the breast. Here I've got some sea salt. This is a Hawaiian sea salt. It has some of this parsley mixed in. Freshly ground black pepper. Now this is coarsely ground if you look closely. Some of these garlic granules. We will also use fresh garlic later. A light touch of cumin. Finally some paprika. Now give this a really good mix. The seasoning is enough for 2 chicken breasts. Now you want to season the chicken properly from both sides. And make sure to tap it. Season from both sides, like I said, and it would be best if the chicken breast is dried before you season it. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to around medium high, and with a good touch of oil. Now when the pan and oil is nice and hot, here with the chicken. Now you don't want to touch the chicken, just leave it there for around 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it. Now another way of knowing when to flip the chicken is you will notice that on the sides the chicken will start to get white. So this is almost ready to flip. Just grab that and look at that beautiful sear. Amazing.
Yeah, boy.
Once you have flipped the chicken, just give it another 2 minutes. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. I'm just gonna bring it back to its original position, which is here. Now turn down the heat to low, and with the butter, some of this garlic, and some of this rosemary. Just tilt your pan slightly, mix up the butter, the garlic, and the rosemary, and we're gonna start basting it with butter. Just tilt your pan slightly and baste it. Look at that, beautiful. Now basting is all about adding more flavor. Now to ensure our breast is cooked, just make sure the internal temperature is around 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Alright, so that's perfect. We're just gonna turn off the heat and remove the chicken. Carefully remove the chicken onto this plate, and you want to let it rest for around 5 minutes. I'm just going to remove this garlic and rosemary from this pan. Now for the pepper sauce, in the same pan, add a good touch of black pepper. And with the garlic that we cooked along with our chicken, you want to lightly toast this. Now you want to deglaze it with stock and reduce this. Also throw in those juices from the chicken. And now mix in the cream. Give that a mix. When it starts to simmer, throw in the butter. Combine everything. Just turn off the heat now. And you have this beautiful, silky smooth pepper sauce. Amazing. For the mushrooms, in with a good touch of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, in with the mushrooms. You want to saute the mushrooms and remove excess moisture. If any of the mushrooms are large, you need to slice them into two. Season this with a good touch of salt, touch of black pepper. Turn the heat to low, and with some of the butter, and mix that in. When the mushrooms are nice golden color, they are done. Turn off the heat and finish it off with some chives. Beautiful. Or let's slice the chicken breast. This has been resting for around 5 minutes. Bismillah. So nice and juicy. Amazing. Or let's plate this up. And the chicken here, just here in the middle. And with some of those mushrooms. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It smells wonderful. Let's try a bit of those mushrooms first. Bismillah. Wow, so delicious along with those chives. And the sauce as well, you know. Alright, let's try that chicken. Bismillah. The chicken is so nice and juicy. Chicken is just full of flavors. Perfectly seasoned and cooked. It's all about combining the flavors. You have that perfectly cooked chicken along with those juicy mushrooms and a perfectly balanced pepper sauce. Oh man, you're really gonna enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.